Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved my wet bun look. I just got out the shower. I just washed my hair. I don't have anything in it, not even conditioner. So I'm going to pull my hair up. As you guys may have heard me say, I don't put heat on my hair anymore. I wear wigs, but I wear full lace wigs or like custom wigs with closure. So I'm not putting any heat on my hair. Even when I braid my hair down for my wigs, I don't use heat. So when I'm not wearing wigs, which is 90% of the time because I'm working and I don't just have time to put on my wig every day, I'm so used to wearing my natural hair that I can't even like sleep in a wig these days. So 90% of the time I'm just gonna pull my hair up, or I might have my hair in like a braid style or something. But yeah, so my hair is looking like real crazy, but I'm gonna show you guys how I pull my hair up. So one of the first things you're gonna wanna do is like condition your hair. My hair is so much easier to manipulate when I condition it. So I use the Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner with argan oil. And I just put that all over my hair. You can do it in the shower too. It'll probably work better in the shower. My shrinkage is crazy too. Like, this really helps with my shrinkage because my hair is like right here. I cut my hair into a bob and it grew out so fast. But if you see my hair in its natural state, it's like 2 inches. So don't be fooled by the shrinkage. So I just get that in there, and you can see this is super straight because I straightened it last weekend. It's a horror story. This stylist canceled on me at the last minute. So as I'm doing this, I just start like forming it into the ponytail. Another product that I use a lot is the Cantu Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioner. I'm gonna wash my hair again tomorrow because I want a fresh bun for class. So I'm gonna use regular conditioner because I'm only gonna have it in for like a day, not even all day. So then I would take like a wide tooth comb and just kind of comb that through, kind of just start like pushing my hair towards the top of my head. So then I'm gonna take my good old little paddle brush. This is a brush that boys use to get their waves. And it creates waves for girls too, because like as you can see as I'm brushing, my curls turn to waves. So I'm just gonna start brushing upward. I'm going to brunch and I'm already so late. So you see how this part at the top is just like not as smooth. What you can do is just change your hair placement and then just swoop, 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 swoop. But we're gonna go back in with some hair gel and really lay it down. But for the most part, you want it to be kind of flat. So after I do that, depending on how my hair is acting, sometimes I might braid it, sometimes I don't. But this hair has a lot of product in it, so I'm going to braid it. Not very tightly, just like enough to where I can control it. And then take the braid and just wrap it around. And then tuck that end of the braid into my head. And then stretch the bun. And then boom, a bun. Now, the edges are gonna dry up and they're gonna look crazy. So what I do is I take some of my Got To Be Glued, a little bit of it. Ooh, girl, you running out. Put it on my hand. Put some on my edges. Take my paddle brush and create fire edges. You don't have to go crazy with like pulling your baby hairs down, because as you like do shit throughout the day, your natural baby hairs are gonna come like out. So then boom, I have a bun, I have baby hairs. Then sometimes what I might do is wrap my scarf around my head, just let it sit, and then while I'm getting dressed. But for the most part, this is how it goes. So I went from like a Don King head to like a cute little running errands bun. So yeah, Got To Be Glued, leave-in conditioner, brush, all set. So okay, y'all, so I've been out all day running errands and working with my bun bun. I just want to show you guys, edges are still intact. That Got To Be Glued really holds my edges. If I didn't have this on, my edges would look like these little curls that I have that are springing out of control. So yeah, definitely a great technique. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Night.